Throw me in the landfill. Don't think about the consequences. Throw me in the dirt pit. Don't think about the choices that you make. Throw me in the water. Don't think about the splash I will create. Leave me at the altar, knowing all the things you've just escaped. That I push me out to sea on a little boat that she made out of the evergreen that you helped your father cut away, and leave me on the tracks. Wait until the morning train arrives. Don't you dare look back. Walk away, catch up with the sunrise. 'Cause this is torturous electricity between both of us. And this is dangerous, 'cause I want you so much, but I hate your guts, so I hate you now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Leave me in the cold. Wait until the snow covers me up, so I cannot move. So I'm just embedded in the frost, and leave me in the rain. Wait until my clothes cling to my frame. Wipe away your tear stains. Thought you said you didn't feel pain. Well, this is torturous electricity between both of us. And this is dangerous, 'cause I want you so much, but I hate your guts. And this is torturous electricity between both of us. And this is dangerous, 'cause I want you so much, but I hate your guts. I want you so much, but I